Welcome to the new video. In this video we are going to see that the Capgemini is coming up with the campus recruitment drive for 2019 and 2020 pass out student. So let's look at the eligibility criteria. So this recruitment drive is specially for the female candidates only, and they should have graduated in 2019 and 2020 only, and the passing percentage criteria is 60% from SSC to up to graduation. And if student have done the diploma, so no gap is allowed after diploma. In 1 year gap in education after 12th or HSC is allowed. So let's look at which branches are eligible for this recruitment drive. So candidates should have done the MCA, BE, BTech, but the specialization only from CSIT, and electronics related all branches such as electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, electrical and electronics, and electronics and instrumentation as well. Candidate have done ME, MTech, so specialization must be IT and CS. So selection process will be done in virtual mode only. So all the activities from the test to the interview all will gonna happen on the virtual mode. So, and the candidate need to arrange all the infrastructure required such as internet connectivity and the hardware. So, and the one important point is technical, communication and game based aptitude are all elimination round. So let's look at the pattern for the aptitude test. First part is technical assessment, which includes pseudocodes and C programming related questions. Second part is multi MCQ questions on the English. So, and next is game based aptitude test, which is also important. uh, and these first three steps are elimination round. If you clear all the three tests, all the three parts, then fourth part is behavioral competency check, so only to check the profile of the candidate. And if you clear all the first four rounds, then you will be called for the technical interview. And if you again selected in that, so last step is HR interview will be there. So uh, if you want to register to this drive, you need to click on this register now link, and I also given the link for this page in the description box. Please check it out. So after clicking on the register now button, you will redirect to the third party application, which is Superset, and this application also used during the 2021 hiring. Same application process will be there. So first of all, you need to select your college name. For example, I took this. So they are asking email ID. So click on the proceed button. So fill the basic details. So the date of birth. Next is, so you need to take care that this recruitment drive is only for the females. So click on the female, and you need to mention your caste. Let's say general. So after the category selection, you need to set the password, which should be alphanumeric. So proceeding to the next page. So in this page they are asking the educational details. So you should select the you have completed your education because you are from 2019 and 2020 batch. So in this section you need to select the BE Tech. So branch selection. So batch, they are asking about the batch. So 2019 pass out batch. So your course duration, your roll number or a university ID number, and the average score for 8 semesters. So if you have done diploma, then you can take the lateral entry option and put the each semester percentage. And so you need to convert your CGPA to percentage. So check out the formula for your university to convert CGPA to percentage. So if you have any backlogs, so tick this. And then next is the confirmation page. So after agreeing terms and conditions, your profile will register. And after registering this, so log into Superset account and apply for the job role which is posted by Capgemini. So then only you are eligible to take test. So this is the short video on registration process.